going on, guys? I'm leaving the Dixie Wing now, but anyway, haven't made a video in a while, so I'm just driving. I've got my camera set up right on top of the thing here, so I don't know if it'll work, but maybe so. But anyway, I'm getting a freaking haircut tomorrow, as you can see. Freaking got my my appliance is all messed up, you know. Freaking gotta get this trimmed down a little bit. So that'll feel good, getting it cut tomorrow. But anyway, we're thinking about doing another project. We're gonna buy a cheap ass golf cart and put a 13 horsepower engine in it with electric start. Oh shit, my seatbelt. And there goes the camera. So anyway, look forward to that. I'm looking to get a golf cart for cheap. So yeah, we'll talk to you in a little bit, and we might take the moto mower out today. So bye. All right, guys. Holy shit! It's piss pouring rain out, as you can see. Piss pouring rain, and we got a truck to my right here just throwing water. I'm just talking, just throwing the water off. Nice truck though, real nice truck. But anyway, going home, and I think we're gonna have to ixnay or trash the ride on the snapper mower plans. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do, but today I'll kind of do just a vlog of what's going on today. Not a whole lot, actually nothing really, but maybe if the rain will stop a little bit, we'll take the snapper out. So you never know. You gotta get over here. All right, well, yeah, just rate, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all in a little bit. Hey, so what's going on, guys? We're gonna go for a ride. Y'all haven't even seen any on-cam footage of it yet. Now, excuse me if the chain falls off, because it could. I tightened it up a little bit more. So, anyway, if y'all have any questions on how I built it or how much it cost, oh yeah, this spring we're gonna be fixing this. Just a friggin' washout. So in the spring, good video for that. But if y'all have any questions on how I built it, then just ask me. I pressure washed all this. I'm gonna do it again though, because we had a whole bunch of oil. You can see where it was. I just cleaned it up a little bit. But anyway, make sure that's spraying a tad bit, but I don't even notice. It's vibrating. Alright, give it some gas. Oh, my heel was in the way. Dadgummit. It's not warmed up yet. Alright, here we go. Okay guys, so we get to take the toolbox out of the truck because I'm getting bed liner put in tomorrow, sprayed in actually by Line-X. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna speed up. First.
Kind of like this. Yeah, Robbie's ratchet strap. I got that for you, buddy. Get a wrench. Right.
All right, so now we got the thing out, and it's piss pouring rain. Yep, piss pouring rain. Front door's open. Oh, I know why. But anyway, yeah. So I'll talk to y'all later, and this is the day. What a shitty day. What a shitty day.